All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their solar wall lantern. This is a 2-pack, and you can kind of see about what the item looks like here on the front. The top just says solar wall lantern with the sticker, solar lanterns outdoor 2-pack. This side just has a picture and information. This side, solar wall lantern, save energy, save money, included rechargeable batteries, warm white 3000K, turns on at dusk, easy installation. And kind of the same thing there, rechargeable, turns on at dusk, LED, and nothing at all on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this one on up, see what we got. What we got? Little instruction guide here right on top. That's where your battery cover and your battery is. Use only 14500 3.5 amp 500 milliamp hour rechargeable batteries. Okay. Looks like the back gives you a little information as well. With first use, please pull to on and it'll automatically work. And then you of course just hang it up. So let's, and that's it for the box. So here's our wall mounts. Two nice metal hook wall mounts, not bendable or anything, very strong. The 2 holes to mount it with. And then of course 2 screws and 2 anchors. And then first one's out. Second one's out. So also get this one out of its bag. All right, so here's our lanterns. These are just plain black. One thing I noticed, the bottom seems to have like reflection, so that might help it be a little brighter. Solar panels on top and got a little hook there to hang them, because like I said, take this hook and boom, it's installed. So this is very nice. Let's, this one's already apart, of course. You just turn these and it comes apart, nothing down in there. And then this is where your battery goes. Another message about mounting it. And then you just flip this to on. And now this one's ready to go outside, be mounted, and get charged by the sun. We'll lock this back in place and boom, this one's ready to go. We're gonna get them mounted somewhere and then I'll show you exactly what these look like at nighttime. All right, carrying this down to our mailbox. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one lantern on this side and then one lantern on the other side. So let's start that setup. All right, take this out, one of these, and the drill. All right, so since you already saw me cut it on before, I can now just hook it on there, and there we go. It's hanging and ready to go. Now, let's repeat it on the other side. One little caveat I'll add is make sure that you put the hook up this way. But all right, hang this one on, and there we go. Now we've got these little lanterns on our mailbox, and we'll see what they look like when it gets dark time. All right, and so these are the ones that I put on the mailbox, and you can kind of see there about how much brightness they really put off. You can't see that when we're widescreen. See, widescreen looks like there's nothing, but it's actually out into the road here, like you can see behind it. And of course on this side as well, because there's one over here. So I really like the look of them. I think they fit perfectly on our mailbox because of the look of our mailbox. And I would think wherever you're willing to put these things at, they should do exactly what you need. Hook them up, turn them on, and boom, you've got a light. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.